Hi all, it's Funk here. This week's project is the Matchbox Specials Ferrari F40 1/39 scale. As you'll see, it's been more than just played with. It's been abused. It's been painted with some kind of paint or other. But other than that, it's in pretty good condition. Time to take it apart. Usual 1, 2 and 3 little rivets. Drill the centers out first, ready for putting the screws in later. I find it's easier to do it now. Just using a 2mm drill. Now using a 4.5mm drill, just take the top of the flange off. Comes off nice and easy. It's a lovely sharp drill bit, and with it being like on the cast aluminium, it's really easy. A little bit of gentle persuasion. That's the front loose. One side. And there we go, we're in. Bit of a surprise when I opened it. I thought, what on earth is that? Looks like, ooh. It was some form of fibre. It didn't look like carpet, it didn't look like hair. And that just looked like, I don't know. It looked horrible. And it was solid, absolutely solid. It was like concrete. God knows how it got in there. Interior is quite nice. Trying to get the ones out gently. I didn't want to break them. And there's the dashboard. Time to the usual time to get it all into the dunk tank. Let's get this paint off here. God knows what this blue is. Nitromorse hopefully does the trick. It certainly is. The strange part is this blue, it seems to have stained the actual casting. It comes off easy enough though. And here we go after the wash. Time to give it a bit of rotary tool. Get rid of some of the oxidation. And see if some of that blue comes off. Luckily it did. And as you'll see there, I'm changing the colour, going with the Tamiya yellow and isopropyl alcohol 50-50 mix. Into the booth, nice little light coat going on. And there we go. That's the paint on there. It's time to get rid of this off the windows, and didn't want to just brush off. And I end up just scraping it off more than anything. Now the only thing about these windows in these cars is they're not like the standard hard plastic. They're more like a rubberized plastic, and it's, putting it politely, it's bloody awful. You can't put a shine on it. You can't clean it properly. It's horrible stuff. You know, it does brush, but it'll scratch off. It's strange. Try giving it a bit of a polish off. And it made it worse. And by now that will be gleaming if it was just a standard screen. I gave it a squirt off there to put a bit of moisture on, just to see, and I thought, hang on, if it's got moisture on it, it goes quite nice. So I just give up, and I go for the Pledge Clear. Hopefully this will give it that nice clear look that I'm looking for. And there's at this point here now when I realised I wish I hadn't shook it up, because to get the bubbles off was an absolute pain in the bum. And I thought, you know what, that looks quite nice as it is. When that dries, that should look nice. I was happy with that. So put into the nice new carton. Put the lid on, keep it nice and safe from any dust, and put it to one side to dry off. Time to put it back together. As you'll see, the screen didn't come out as clear as what it looked. Wasn't too bad. Don't know. I don't like these screens. I really don't like these screens. It just, it's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. You know you're up against a battle when you can get it and more or less twist it around and back on itself. It just goes plop back to its normal shape. So continuing, just now for the dashboard with the steering wheel. Sorry about the camera angle there. Put the wheels back underneath the spring plates. I was going to paint the hubs in the Molotow chrome pen, and I thought it might be a little bit too much, so I just left them in black. The screws I'm using are M2.5 self-tappers, so after drilling out with the 2mm, there's no need to go in there and tap them. Great little screws, love these. All back together. Yeah, just some detailing. I have got to pull the car apart again, because what I hadn't realised was that when I put the screen in, I'd actually put the rear tab outside of the car, which you can just see there underneath the rear spoiler. I didn't notice it until, I'll be honest, until I was actually editing the video, and I saw it going around on the turntable at the end. I thought, you stupid idiot. And I actually done all this touching in with the paint, etc., and I hadn't even noticed it. And you can see it clear as day there. So I will pull it apart and I will correct it. It won't take 2 minutes, just those 3 little screws, and it's nice and easy now. First time I've ever done it. Never made that mistake before, and I'll certainly look out for it in future. And there she is. A quick recap of what she looked like beforehand, and her lovely blue paintwork. Somebody was proud of that at some point. And here we go. Here it is in its nice new yellow. Looking absolutely fantastic. Well, I think so. I hope you do as well. I'll sort that rear screen out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you've liked it. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, then please leave some comments below of why you don't like it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.